What's your name?
You must stop breaking it.
How do you say it?
That's rad. Yeah, I'm definitely into that portal situation. Is there anywhere else that you can send me?
Appreciate your time. Have a great day.
I do have toes. You don't have toes?
Okay, next.
Oh, that's just bizarre.
Nailed it.
That is the funniest thing I've ever heard, Herb.
Yes, it's pink. The only pink I have is this. This drips. You don't care. Okay, fine.
I'm exhausted.
I had fun for like the first 60.
Well,
Everybody's different, which I like.
Yeah, I mean, there's similar shapes, which
Yeah,
you're
some.
like, oh, I get some of you are.
So I had two that tried to stand on top of each other's shoulders and wear a sheet like a ghost.
All right, let's see here. I know that's two aliens under a sheet.
What was their motive? Were they trying to?
I don't know. I think they're just best friends.
Come on, separate.
Generally, like they were super nice. There were a couple.
All right, fine. How about this? I'll paint you guys stacked.
A lot of instruction, though, too. I wonder.
Some of them were very particular and like.
It's very particular. No green. You don't like green. What do you mean you don't like green? That's like the antithesis of aliens.
Yeah.
And it's just you don't tell me how to do my job. 2 paintbrushes, sir. Don't tell me how to do my job. I will not tell you how to do your job.
There's no way that we're going to be able to paint them all in time for NFT NYC if we don't, like, we have to just do it differently, right? I think we just use the plywood and we hit like 4 by 8. Pop, 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 pop. And we have them like kind of line up or something.
Well,
What do
yeah.
you think?
So, I
What are
mean,
these legs, what are these legs doing? Are you all right?
hi. Sorry, can you just,
Yeah, but like tomorrow, I just say we just ramp it the f up. Just paint a ton of them at a time.
can you help me find my hat tomorrow? Okay, so we just ramp it up. We ramp it up.
We ramp it up.
Tomorrow we just really, really ramp it up.